What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince of lemon pepper wings. And today I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make tangy orange wings. This recipe is delicious. So without further ado, guys, get in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go.
These are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix green wise chicken, brown sugar, butter, vegetable oil, orange juice, chili powder, orange soda, black pepper, kosher salt, hot sauce, 1 orange, red pepper flakes, and minced garlic. So these are the ingredients we're going to use, so let's get started. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients and cleaned and cut our chicken. So what we have here, we have half a cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. So these are the ingredients we're going to use to season our chicken. So let's move on. All right, so in this step, we're going to season our chicken. So add your vegetable oil. Next, add your orange juice, your black pepper, chili powder, and your kosher salt. What you want to do right here is give this a good mix to combine all these ingredients with your chicken. Next, you're going to take a Ziploc bag and you're going to pour this chicken and the mixture into a Ziploc bag. Make sure you take the air out of the bag, close it up, and we're going to let this marinate for about, about 2 hours. All right, take a look at it, place it in your refrigerator, and I'll see you in 2 hours. So now it's time to prepare our sauce. I've already measured out our ingredients for our sauce. So what we have here, we have 1.5 cups of orange soda. I have a half a cup of hot sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter. I have 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, and we have 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So this is what we're going to use to prepare our sauce. So let's move on. All right, so now we're going to prepare our sauce. So what you want to do is you want to take your orange zest and put it in the bowl with your orange soda. Next, take your minced garlic, add it, your red pepper flakes, your brown sugar, your melted butter, your hot sauce, and lastly, your freshly squeezed orange juice. You want to give this a good mix. I think I should have used a bigger bowl. Guys, I'm going to change this bowl out because I won't be able to mix it like I want to, so I'm going to change bowls. All right, this is better. So we're going to combine all our ingredients. Let's take a look at it and we'll move on. All right, now so it's time for us to prepare our pan. So what we're going to do is line our baking sheet with aluminum foil, spray our grates with cooking spray for easy cleanup and so our chicken doesn't stick to our pan. So go ahead and do that and we'll move on. All right, so our wings are completely marinated. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove them from the Ziploc bag, place them on our cooking sheet. Again, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. Go ahead and place your chicken pieces on your cooking rack, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now it's time to place these bad babies into the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees. We're going to allow them to cook for 50 minutes. So after 25 minutes, we always turn our chicken pieces over. Well, after half of the cooking time, we turn our chicken pieces over and let them cook on the other side. So go ahead, set your timer, and let's move on to the next step. All right, so now we're going to finish preparing our sauce. So I've placed the sauce into a pot. What we're going to do is we're going to bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to reduce the heat to simmer, and we're going to allow this mixture to simmer for about 20 minutes. All right, now after you've let it simmer for the 20 minutes, we're going to add some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. And this is how it looks. So let's move on to the next step. All right, so now we're halfway through the cooking process. So what we're gonna do now is flip our wings over and allow them to cook for the remaining of the time on the other side. We want both sides of our wings crispy always. So go ahead, flip your wings over, and I'll see you guys in 25 minutes. All right, so now our wings are done. So we're gonna remove them from the oven. Let's place them over here on the counter so we can take a good look at them. Put them under this light. What do you think about this, guys? I love the way they look. Juicy. This is how you want your wings to look. All right, let's move on to the next step. All right, so I've added our chicken pieces to an empty bowl. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spoon some of this orange mixture over our wings. Guys, you can spoon as little as or how much you want. And I'm gonna put the lid on it, and we're gonna do a little shake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, y'all. All right. Remove the lid. Take a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take those chicken pieces and I'm gonna put them back on the pan, and I'm going to stick them back in the oven. Now you don't have to do this. But guys, you already know I take seasoning to the extreme. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick them back in the oven to caramelize the sauce on the wings for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so let's move on. All right, so now I've pulled them out of the oven for the second time. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sauce them again. So add your chicken pieces back to the bowl and pour the remaining of the sauce over your wings, or spoon it over your wings. And we're gonna do a double time. Shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, bake it. Remove the lid. And this is what we got, guys. Let's move on. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a clean plate and we're going to add our wings to a clean plate. Guys, these things look delicious. I can't wait to bite into them. And you want all that sauce on your wings. All right, take a look and let's move on. And there you have it. Tangy orange wings. Just what the doctor ordered. I garnished it with some chives, guys, and some sliced oranges. Looks beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And if you follow me in this recipe, your wings should look exactly like this. All right, so now I'm going to do a little quality control. So I'm going to grab me one. Take a look at this, guys. And the wings are amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, that's my time. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, hit that like button, subscribe if it's your first time here. And also, the ingredients and the measurements are in the video description below. And if you need some of the products, you don't have them at your house in your pantry, then guys, click those links right at the bottom in the video description. It'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase those items. Again, it helps support my channel. And until then, all wings, everything, the self-proclaimed Wing King, and I am out. Peace.